Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to dive into coding in 2025? Whether you are a beginner or just curious, now's the perfect time to start. Today we are sharing the best beginner coding languages and how to get going. Let's jump in. Coding opens doors to high-paying tech jobs and creative projects, and 2025 is packed with opportunities. In 5 minutes, we'll cover the top beginner languages, how to learn them, and tips to succeed. Ready to code your future? Let's go. Why start coding in 2025? The tech industry is booming, with a projected 15% growth in coding jobs by 2030. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, it's a skill that can land you roles in AI, web development, and more. Starting salaries often hit $60,000. Plus, tools are more beginner friendly than ever. Free platforms like Codecademy and GitHub offer hands-on practice, and AI assistants like GitHub Copilot can help you write code faster. It's the year to jump in. But where do you start? Let's look at the best languages for beginners in 2025. First up, Python. It's the top choice for beginners in 2025, thanks to its simple syntax. Think English like commands. It's perfect for data science, AI, and even game development. Over 60% of developers recommend it per Stack Overflow's 2025 survey. Next, JavaScript. This language powers websites and apps, making it ideal if you want to build interactive projects. It's beginner friendly with tons of free tutorials, and its demand is up 20% in 2025, especially for web development. Finally, HTML. It's the foundation of web design, super easy to learn, and pairs with CSS for styling. Start here to create your first web page, perfect for beginners dipping their toes into coding. These languages are accessible, widely used, and have strong communities. Let's see how to learn them. How do you start? Sign up for free platforms like Codecademy or Free Code Camp, which offer step-by-step Python and JavaScript courses. Set a goal, maybe a simple web page in HTML, and practice 30 minutes daily. Use online communities like Stack Overflow or Reddit. Learn programming for help, and try projects like a calculator in Python to build confidence. Avoid burnout by starting small. Challenge. Coding takes time, and early bugs can frustrate you. Stick with it. Most learners see progress in 3 months with consistent practice. That's how to start coding in 2025 with Python, JavaScript, and HTML. These languages are your gateway to tech success. Start small, practice daily, and watch your skills grow. Which language will you try first? Comment below, like if you are excited to code, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you tomorrow. Thank you.